Good morning. Good morning. All right. I told you guys I was going to be going out on the boat today. So here we are. I got to go meet up with my buddy Josh slash boss. It's early, guys. Way early, but I have to meet him up at this one boat dock. It's pretty far away from the house. So we're leaving now. And there you go. You can see if you look at this. If you guys can see the time on that, 4 going on 5 o'clock. So with that being said, I will definitely introduce you guys to Josh when I get there. I guess we're going to see who's going to kick whose butt. Josh will probably kick my butt because he's taking me to one of his favorite holes, he tells me. So we'll see you guys when we get up there to the boat dock. Until then, see you on the water. Alright guys, Josh and I are starting our first journey together out on the boat after 3 years of talking about it. So hopefully we can get out here and get into some bass. We're hoping maybe some top water. It's a little foggy out, so hang tight. We'll see what we can do. Guys, we haven't found no bass yet. We're still trying. It's pretty cold and a lot of fog, but the fog's finally starting to lift. So we're gonna go up here and try another spot and see what happens. We still haven't found no bass yet. We're trying to find them. Beautiful scenery. If we don't catch any bass, it was a good day on the water. Alright guys, I'm going to put a quick ending on this video. I know I should stop doing this, but it's like a last minute thing. So I went out with my buddy Josh slash boss on his boat. We did not catch not one single bass. So we had a bad day, it happens. But that was the first time I ever went out with him, so I'm going to go ahead and still put this video on. So, but just to show some beautiful scenery, because I did have some fun, and give you an idea, my Josh's boat, it's pretty fast. So I don't know, hopefully you enjoy the video. I did end up with 2 busted tips on 2 of my rods, which wasn't good, but I guess worse could happen in a day's time. But until then, I'll see you guys on the next video.